How to add or delete a credit or debit card in KFC account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can go to KFC website first of all, which is kfc.com, and this should be our following site. And once you are signed in the top right corner, we need to head over to account. You can look out for the account option in the top right corner and go ahead and click on it. And this should open up. And from the given menu, you can go to the option for your account or directly find this option called payment methods and click on it. Once we click on it, this section opens up. Now, if we want to add or delete a credit or debit card, it's super easy. So in this payment section right here, what we can do is we can click on add a card. After that, we can select up a store to start up an order. You can select pick up a delivery. And once you've done so, you can select up an address. So go ahead and select up an address first. And once you've selected up a method, you can just go over and type in your state, city, or zip code to add it up. And then you should be finding up option to add up a payment method. So providing your nickname, which is optional, and the name on your card, and your card number of your credit or debit card, and the expiration date, the CVV, and the billing zip code. Once it is done, you can tap on the save option and it will be stored for your future order. And that's it. That's how you add it. You may also be able to add a card during checkout when placing an order. Most systems let you enter and save up a new card then also. If you do not see this option, you can try going to the checkout or payment screen while ordering, and some versions let you manage cards there too. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.